it's as always an honor and a privilege to be associated with them. Um, just a name that stands for ethically sourced, absolutely the rarest of rare diamonds from all over the world. It's just a privilege to be here, and Notan Das, as we know, is a brand and is a they carry a legacy for over 20, I think over 30 years now, almost 33 years, 33 years. Yeah. Oh yes, so it's a lot of history and a lot of contemporary, modern style, and just an amazing sense of aesthetic that one is a part of. It's lovely to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's really good to be here as well. What I look for is quality, integrity, and originality. So I think all these attributes, are something that forever mark, and now in association with Notan Das, they really, really, stand out for as a brand. So that's why I'm here with them today.
The very first diamond you bought?
Actually, it was a pair of earrings my mother gifted me about 3.5 years ago. So that's very dear to me.
Okay, what are the jewelry you normally carry with yourself? Especially?
I'm actually very bad with carrying jewelry, so I'm very afraid of losing my jewelry and things like that. So I keep it very light and easy. So, but if I do, it's very minimum, bare, basic stuff that I can match with Indian outfits as well as Western outfits. I'm a little bit minimalistic with my jewelry. I like a less is more theme, as I've said before. So yeah.
Okay, what is your fashion mantra? Tell us the outfit you're wearing today.
It's a Tanya Khanuja dress. My fashion mantra, really, I don't really have a fashion mantra as such, but I think I like to experiment with different styles. I don't really conform to a certain kind of style statement all the time. I don't go out of my way to create one. I find that a lot of pressure. As long as it's something I feel good in and something that flatters my personality and my just my style. That.
You are one of the finest actors in the industry. Post Airlift, though you already done Lunchbox, how life changed? How much I would say?
Thank you. I think it's been a really blessed journey. God has been very kind to me, starting with the Lunchbox, and then I've worked on a couple of projects abroad. Then Airlift was a really, really great journey from the beginning to the release and post the release, with the way the film was received by the audience. It's been a really, really blessed journey. That's what I can definitely say. I feel very, very lucky to be here today. There is just so much love and just so much acceptance and appreciation for one's work. I can only hope to be able to continue doing that and to not disappoint, and I'm working my hardest best.
Okay, that's the reason. Please continue.
Sorry. How would you say your style has evolved from the time you entered Bollywood till today?
I think I know better about what not to do now than I think that's all. As girls, we kind of keep evolving our style. Our wardrobe expands, explodes. Then there are times when you clean everything up and you're like, I don't need 55 colors of the same outfit. I tend to do that. If I like something, I'll buy 5 colors in the same thing because I can't decide. I have those issues. Never mind that for another day. But I think what I like to know now, what I know that I'm better at now is to know what I don't want to do and what I shouldn't be doing. Yeah. So the elimination process has become.
One tip that you want to give girls to not do?
Dress according to the weather. I think that's always very important. We live in a very hot and humid country, as we can all see. We're all melting away. But it's always a good plan to wear fabrics, and whether it's your shoes or accessories or anything that are in tandem with the weather. You don't want to be caught in gumboots in Delhi in the summer.
Any wardrobe staples? I'm so sorry to start. Any wardrobe staples that you have?
I love crisp white shirt, actually. I really love that. I think that's something that you can wear with a skirt or a nice pair of torn jeans. You can dress it up. You can wear a lovely just accessorize it, and I love that. I love to have a nice white shirt.
Okay, Nimrod, what happening on professional front? What's there in the pipeline?
Well, I'm very close to signing what I'm about to do next. So as and when the time comes, we're just in process of that. There will be an announcement about it. It's something that I haven't attempted before. It should be interesting, God willing. So there'll be an announcement soon.
When you're saying we will to see you doing action.
Oh, actually, yeah, very close to that. Whatever you're thinking is kind of on the right lines.
Okay,
But
Nimrod.
there was also news that you are going to be a part of Gold. Are those rumors true?
Goal?
Akshay Kumar's movie.
No, I'm afraid I haven't heard such rumors yet. So.
Okay, something out of the box though. Everything is over. It's good. We are asking this question when everything is over, everything is sorted out. Between Manse and Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is getting released. Everything is sorted out. So, what's your take being a part of the industry? Shivai and Ae Dil Hai Mushkil will be releasing the same day. Though Ae Dil Hai Mushkil has seen so many controversies, everything sorted out. What's your take on that?
I wish both the films all the very best. As an artist, you want every film to do well. As a part of the industry, it makes everything better for everybody when films do well. As we all know, there's a big dominoes effect of something not doing well. It trickles down to the lowest level. So as an artist working here, I want every film to do the best kind of business that can possibly be, its destiny. And very, very happy that everything is settled, and really looking forward to watching both the films.
Okay, the last one, of course, the last one I can see is. Nimrod, though you said just right now, it will be a surprise for all of us. You're going to announce us what you're going to sign. Though you already worked with Akshay and Arif, is he the one who suggested you go for this, do some action or something like that?
No, I mean, he's not, he's a great inspiration. I've learned a lot from him working with him. But he has nothing to do with this project right now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.